Hello beautiful people, it's your boy Jojo and welcome back to another episode on this channel. Now on our last episode, we stopped here when I was going to get lunch. Now on our series of business trips to factories in China, this is a continuation of the other one. Please stick around, watch the video, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and if you need any suppliers, hit me up in the comment section. Let's go. Okay guys, so like I said, my suppliers are giving me a treat and we're going to have some lunch. Right after lunch, we're going all the way to the warehouse or the factory, right? So, 你可以给他们介绍你有什么东西，用英语可以介绍吗？ So she's going to let you guys know exactly what she does in her company, right? And then so if anyone needs anything of that sort, feel free to just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely connect you guys and you guys can just talk it out, right? So Ada will talk to you guys about what they have.
We produce food machinery such as basic vehicle and meat processing machines to process and fruit machinery. If you need a frying machine, you can also contact us.
Alright, thank you. So, like she said, they produce food machinery items, right? So if you guys need anything, fryers, whatever you need, you just let me know. I'll connect you guys, and then we'll talk business from there. Yeah. So I'll see you all in a few minutes. So we're about to eat, and this is what my suppliers. Really nice people. Really nice people. All this thing for me and for us to eat. So I'm gonna thank them later, and we're gonna get to eat it. Okay. So guys, lunch is over, and my suppliers, my client suppliers, taking me to the warehouse, right, where I can have the things checked out. So you're going to see Ada and Marvin very soon explaining things on how things work in their warehouse, right?
本身客户来我们都是去接的，今天刚好那边不敢过去。
因为今天限号，就这他开了，估计也得罚钱。
So guys, just like Marvin was saying, it's really difficult, or it will be really difficult for you to find the warehouse if they don't pick you up, because where they picked me up to the factory was quite a distance, and you would need personnel of theirs to come pick you up, or it will be difficult for you to locate the place. Alright guys, so like I was saying, we are here at the warehouse or the manufacturing plant where they produce these machines, and so Ada is going to explain some things on what kind of machines they have here. So Ada, take a share of some.
This is vertical garlic complete machine. The capacity is from 150 hours to 300 kilometers per hour.
Wow. So it's gonna get things done really fast, right?
Yes.
And this is stainless steel. This is stainless steel, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what other machines have already seen these ones? Okay, so this is a small garlic peeling machine. So
The capacity is about 20 centimeters.
oh, okay. So which means that the big one definitely is faster than this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, we have some garlics in here. Right, we have some garlic. So as you can see, they already have some that have already been peeled. Right. This one is also a garlic machine, right?
Yes.
Okay, so they have some of these garlics that have already been peeled, and that's another one, peeling machine. Okay. And as you can see over there, you have people working. You have people working over there and busy trying to, produce some machinery for you guys. So if you guys need any form of machine, you can either let me know, right?
and I will connect you to Ada and their company. Ada, what's the name of the company? Can you tell them?
The company name is Zhengzhou City.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the name of their company also in the description box below. You guys feel free and contact me. We're gonna have everything done for you pretty well right here at JOMAX Logistics. We're gonna make sure you get your things done and then ship all the way to Ghana for you or wherever you want. So they're really busy, so we just have to get
Alright
going.
guys, that
See
brings
you
us
all
to the end
in
of
the next
this episode, which is really short, but as you can see, we're on our way to another company, which is a much bigger company, and they have bigger machinery. So stick around, and it's gonna get more interesting as we go on. Like I said, I'm bringing you series on business trips that I took. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and please do leave me a like so that it will help me with the algorithm. I'll see you all in the next episode. It's your boy Jojo. Peace out.